In this video, I'll show you how to make the bracket for the caster assembly. So I'll start a new, make sure it's still in metric, standard millimeter IPT. Start a sketch. And as usual, I'm going to build this symmetrical around the origin. And we got a 50 millimeter diameter. And that's 125. That's 150. So make sure everything is symmetrical. 25. Now these lines, they need to be tangent to the circle. So make sure you don't attach it to the quadrant. Just come up here and attach it to any place actually on the circle, as long as it's not on the quadrant. And then we'll use our tangent constraint. Click on circle and the line. You'll see the tangent symbol pop up. Circle, line, tangent symbol pops up. Trim that away. And I think we're okay. Got that giant dimension up there. Yeah, we should be fine. Let's check what the software thinks we need. Those are just really random dimensions. We don't need those. Now I'm not going to put the hole in the part yet, and you'll see why. I'm going to use the shell tool. Let's go ahead and extrude that. I'm going to extrude it symmetrically. The thickness is this. Now if you look at the drawing, you'll see it's 64 millimeters on the inside, but you got to include the thickness of the material, 4.18 on each side, so that gives you a 72.36 overall thickness. And I'll go ahead and fillet those top corners, and those are 12.5 millimeter radii. And now I'm going to do is use this shell tool. Shell tool is a really cool way to make parts that are hollow, which fits in this case. So what you're going to do is just click on the faces. You're going to put in what the thickness of the metal is, and again that's 4.18 because that's the gauge of material. And just click on these faces where you want to hollow it out. You have to click on that one as well and say OK. So you can see what it did was created a nice uniform part that's 4.18 thick all the way around. So it's a really quick and easy way to generate a part like this. So now we'll go ahead and put those. We've got a couple of different holes we got to put in here. We've got some holes in the bottom. Remember, if you come out to the circle, it'll highlight the center point. And those holes in this side are what size? Those are 15 millimeter. And that's gonna, let's do extrude cut, and that's gonna go all the way through. Okay. We also have two holes in the top. And those holes are 20 millimeter. And we just have to locate those. Let's see, so I got to be careful on that because it's 72.36, it's in the middle. 72.36 divided by 2 is 36.18. That's a, look at that, I already had it. Okay, that one's good. I don't know about if I got lucky on both of these. Yeah, so I did click on the center line. That's good to check. Okay, I do need to locate from the edge to the center here, which is 35, and now we're set. Let's go ahead and extrude cut those two holes, and there is our finished bracket.